So, good evening all. Today we are going to start Rank of Matrix chapter number 1 of BSc first year of Algebra. We are referring Himachal Pradesh University, Punjab Technical University, Guru Nanak Dev University textbooks and D.R. Sharma reference book. This is chapter number 1, Rank of Matrix of BSc Mathematics, BSc first year, first sem. Let's get started. Rank of matrix is represented like this: row of matrix A. Why it is capital? Because we write every matrix in a capital form is equals to this. This is the rank of matrix denoted by R. A is a non-zero matrix. Non-zero means elements are not zero, not an empty matrix. Matrix contains elements which are non-zero, which are not zero. Here I am representing n is equals to order, which is row into column. You already know m into n shows order. First of all, we are going to discuss minor method. Minor method is most easiest method of all in this chapter, rank of matrix. Let's get started. Minor method. The rank, I already tell you, this is R denoted by R of a non-zero matrix. I already tell you that the matrix should be a non-zero matrix, that is, the matrix contains non-zero elements. The rank of a non-zero matrix is the largest order. Order, I always already asked you, tell you that order is m order n. Order is denoted by n symbol of any non-vanishing minor of the matrix. What is minor? Minor means part, हिस्सा. All this means is minor method का मतलब यह है कि एक नॉन ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स है, उसका ऑर्डर चाहे वो 3 ऑर्डर 3 हो, चाहे वो 4 ऑर्डर 4 हो, जो लार्जेस्ट ऑर्डर है वो ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा, मतलब उसका कोई ना कोई माइनर मिल रहा है, वो ज़ीरो नहीं आ रहा है. माइनर मिल रहा है मतलब आप जैसे पहले माइनर निकालते, जैसे A11 एलिमेंट का आपने माइनर निकालना होता था तो आप क्या करते थे कि A11 एलिमेंट का निकालना हो. A11 एलिमेंट यहाँ पड़ा है तो क्या करते थे, एक 3 ऑर्डर 3 की मैट्रिक्स होती थी, आपने A11 का निकालना है, आप ये रो और ये कॉलम छोड़ देते थे और इनको जो एलिमेंट्स ये होते थे वो रखते थे. तो जो माइनर है वो वैनिश नहीं करना चाहिए, जो हिस्सा है वो वैनिश ना करे, मतलब ज़ीरो आंसर ना आए, उसे कहते हैं माइनर मेथड. बस लार्जेस्ट माइनर जो वैनिश ना करे, जैसे 3 ऑर्डर 3 का या 4 ऑर्डर 4 का. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ बातें माइनर मेथड में, जैसे द रैंक ऑफ अ नॉन सिंगुलर. व्हाट? नॉन सिंगुलर. नॉन सिंगुलर समझते हो? नॉन सिंगुलर मीन्स ए मॉड इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 ऑफ ऑर्डर n ऑफ n, so rank is equals to n. If we solve a matrix in the mode form, if we get a mode of a matrix, then the matrix is equals to non-singular. After solving the mode, matrix come to be non-singular, means answer is not 0. Answer is anything else, anything natural number or anything real number, but not 0. Then the order n, then the matrix which is of order n, it may be 3 by 3 order 3, maybe 4 order 4, means 4 cross 4. That is also the rank of the matrix. If I am solving mode of a matrix whose order is 4 order 4, then what is the rank? What is the order? Mainly what is the order of this matrix? This is 4. Why? Because it is a square matrix with 4 rows and 4 columns. This 4 is also your rank if when I solve this mode and this is not equals to 0, means my answer is non-zero number. Okay, is that clear to you? Next, row A is less than equals to n, means n is greater than rank. What is this? Row A, n is your order value if the minor of order n plus 1 vanishes. What does mean? If I am solving this and my answer gives me 0, 4 order 4, then this means here order is not 4, order is 4, that is given, but its rank is not 4, it's n plus 1, that is n minus 1, that is n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, means its rank is 3, or maybe 3 minus 1, maybe 2. Okay, so what I am going to say is that if my rank comes less देन द ऑर्डर, इफ माई रैंक कम्स लेस देन द ऑर्डर, दैट मीन्स कि हाइयर ऑर्डर मीन्स 4 ऑर्डर 4 के बाद 5 ऑर्डर 5 ऑल्सो वैनिशेस, 6 ऑर्डर 6 भी वैनिश करेगा। मुझे दी है 4 ऑर्डर 4 की मैट्रिक्स, अगर मुझे 4 ऑर्डर 4 की मैट्रिक्स दी है तो 5 ऑर्डर 5 का रैंक तो मेरा आएगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे दी ही 4 ऑर्डर 4 की मैट्रिक्स है। तो भाई n+1 वैनिश कर जाएगा, मतलब आपका जो ऑर्डर है उससे कम आपकी रैंक की वैल्यू आएगी। और अगर उससे अधिक, इसका मतलब अधिक नहीं, इसका मतलब है इक्वल, अधिक नहीं कह सकते, इक्वल आ रही है मीन्स बिल्कुल इक्वल, मतलब वैल्यू जो है जितना आपका रैंक है उतना ही आ रहा है, मतलब नॉन सिंगुलर का केस है, तब क्या होगा, देयर इज अ माइनर ऑफ ऑर्डर एन विच डज नॉट वैनिश। तो इसका मतलब है एक माइनर होगा जो वैनिश नहीं करेगा, हो सकता है वो 2 ऑर्डर 2 का हो। लेट मी कंसिडर अ 2 ऑर्डर 2। लेट्स this is here's some important points, you should learn these points to solve the questions. What are the points? That first point is the smallest rank of a non-zero matrix is 1. If if you are solving a mod, as I say in this point, you have to solve mod for finding minor method. So if you are solving a mod of 4 order 4 matrix and you get 0, then you make a 3 order 3 matrix from this by considering any elements, any 3 rows and 3 columns, then also their mod is equals to 0, and then you consider 2 rows 2 columns from this matrix and also it gives you 0, means a singular matrix. Then the smallest rank of this non-zero matrix, the smallest rank of this non-zero matrix is 1. Learn this point, it's very important. The rank of a zero matrix is 0. If you got an empty matrix, means null matrix or zero matrix, then its rank is 0. For applying minor method, matrix should be a square matrix. Square matrix means m is equals to n, rows is equals to column. That's why I am here written n. Why n I written at the place of m order n? Why? Because in case of minor method, this is equals to n, means same order, m is equals to n. If given square matrix is a triangular, or that is upper or lower triangular matrix, then product of diagonal element is the rank of matrix, rank of finding. That is, if it's a matrix given to me, it's a 2 order 2 matrix which is given to me. If here is 2, here is 2, here is 0, here is 0, then what will be the rank of the matrix and what will be the mode of matrix? Sorry, what will be the mode of matrix A ka? What is the mode of a matrix? This is equals to the product of diagonal elements, 2 into 2, that is 4, which is not equals to 0, that is 2 is order and 2 is the rank of this matrix. Okay, that's clear to you. What is this? This is upper triangular matrix. Upper Q, if we make a triangle here, then it will show at upside, it will at the upside of it will direct towards the upper side of the matrix. If I make a triangle here up to the diagonal elements, then it will point toward downward, it will put down, it will direct downward to the matrix. Main point is that in the case of upper triangular matrix and in the case of lower triangular matrix, the mode of the matrix is the product of diagonal elements, only the product of diagonal elements. Okay, what is this? This is 2 order 2 matrix. What is this? It's a square matrix, it is a upper triangular matrix, it is a lower triangular matrix, it is also a diagonal matrix, because here diagonal elements are not equals to 0 but other elements are 0. So it's also diagonal, square, upper triangular, lower triangular or triangular matrix. Okay, you should know about class 12th topics. Is let it revise, write it. Upper triangular matrix is this, where downward elements to the diagonal elements are 0, lower are those whose upward elements to the diagonal elements are 0, and square matrix is whose m is equals to n, means row is equals to rank. Or also you can write where the diagonal elements are not equals to 0 except 1. Here if there are 1 1, then it's a identity matrix. If there are 2 3 6 or 2 2, then it's a diagonal matrix, means the diagonal elements should be not 1, should not be 1. If all diagonal elements are 1, then it's an identity matrix, not a diagonal matrix. Let's go ahead. See the given matrix carefully. If identical, then A mod is equals to 0, means row is equals to columns. If here is a matrix 1A 1A, this is the row 1, this is row 2. What is this? These are identical, same or equal rows, See the matrix carefully. If this condition happens means R1 is equals to R2, yes, C1 column 1 is equals to column 2, then the mode of this matrix is always equals to 0. These are the important points which you should know, or do not forget about these points, because it helps to solve your sums easily, more easily than ever. If the given square matrix is an upper triangular matrix, then A mod क्या होगा? Product of main diagonal elements. If only upper triangular matrix is given, only upper, not lower, only upper, then also product of diagonal element is equals to the mod of matrix. Or if only in a square matrix, ठीक है? Why I am talking about square matrix? Because I already tell you that कि for minor method you should have a square matrix where m is equals to n. If the given matrix is lower triangular matrix, then answer is also A mod is equals to product of diagonal elements. In minor case, we have to choose non-zero minors. In minor case, when we are getting minors, we are getting parts of a matrices. I have a 3 order 3 matrix where 0, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 0, 6, 3. What I will do? I will not consider this 0. I will consider 3, minor of 3. Why I consider 0? If I consider here 0, it always gives me 0. ठीक है, -3. Sorry, here -3 is second element. Okay, so I will get 2, 0, 3, 3. Here also I am getting a 0. Here I am also getting a 0. I will consider this one 3, 2, 0, 3, 6. ठीक है, same here, same case. You will consider any minor, but try to get a minor along R1 which is not equals to 0. This minor is not helpful for you because it gives you 0 here. Answer is dependent on these two elements, A12, A23, A13, sorry. This is all for rank of matrix, minor method. Minor matrix means कि minor method is a non-vanishing minor. हिंदी में बताएं तो माइनर मेथड का अर्थ ये है कि आपका एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होनी चाहिए, और दूसरी बात कि स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में आपकी रो या कॉलम वैनिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. मतलब आपका जो मोड है, अगर वो आपका इक्वल्स टू 0 आ जाता है तो आपका जो मैट्रिक्स है उसका जितना भी ऑर्डर होगा वो उसका रैंक नहीं होगा, उससे कम होगा. ठीक है, और कम से कम कितना हो सकता है? मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ अ नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स इज 1 for the rank of matrix in minor method case. You have to solve mode. That's it for minor method. It's all about minor method. Maybe you learn every concept here. This is all about minor method. ठीक है, BSc first sem. Now we will consider some questions here. Let us start it. Maybe you know these questions before I tell you. It's clear. Yes, it's clear. Determine the rank of each of following matrix by minor method. This is the given matrix which is given by A, why it's capital. You know already why. You know this why it comes plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. If you do not know, then learn this R1. ठीक है, प्लस माइनस प्लस रो 1 के अलोंग क्या साइंस होते हैं ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. प्लस माइनस प्लस वाई. हियर इज A11 मीन्स -1 का स्क्वायर. 2 है ना. A12 मतलब what this mean 3 means -1 का क्यूब which is equals to -1. So let's start it. That's why here plus y here is plus because A13 third element of first row, so that is -1 power 3 plus 1 4, that is plus 1. So here that is why plus. Now let's start it. 4 2 3 8 5 2 12 minus 4 5. So if this question comes, minor method question comes, any question comes of minor method, you should write in this form to get full marks in this question. How? First you write A mod and write A matrix in the modulus, then write minor, started writing minor along R1 4, then this and this vanish. 5 minus 4 2 5 5 minus 4 2 5, then 2 here minus 2. Why minus 2? Because here is minus 2, then this and this vanish. 8 12 2 5 8 12 2 5, then 3, here's plus 3. Now what is here? Plus 3 means this and this vanish, so 8 5 12 minus 4, 8 5 12 minus 4. Now how to write 5 into 5? First element 5 into 5 25. Write firstly 25, not 4 to the 10, sorry 4 to the 8, not right 8 here है, ठीक है. Let please write carefully. 5 25, then 4 to the 8. Here's minus sign here. Here we write always minus. So minus of the method and minus of this both gives you plus. Next 8 5 the 40, 12 to the 24. Right here. Here's minus sign according to method, and 8 4 the minus 32, 12 5 the minus 60. Minus minus plus. Very good. Here's I plus that. Here's plus minus minus. So here we got 16. 25 plus 8, that is 33. Now multiply 4 minus 2 3 as it is. In this bracket 4, in this bracket 2, in this bracket 3. We got 132 minus 32 minus 2 76, minus minus plus. Here's 308. 132 minus 308, this is minus 176, that is not equals to 0. It has some value not equals to 0, so it's a non-singular matrix. Right here it's a non-singular matrix where mod is equals to, here write A mod is not equals to 0, that is minus 176 is not equals to 0. A mod is not equals to 0, that is A is a singular matrix. Write in this form. Okay, if minor method question comes, write like this. For getting full marks, write this theory also. As we know, the rank of a non-singular matrix of order n, what is the order is n. N order is what? 3. Order 3, that is n is equal to 3. Square matrix is already given. As we know the rank of non-singular matrix, n is also n. So according to the question A, order 3, so rank of A is also equals to 3. Maybe you can understand this question carefully. Clearly, sorry. I got mistakes. Okay, 2 3 3 3 2 6 4 12 8. Given matrix is also square matrix, order is 3 and it is a square matrix. Here we also write it. So also write this thing also in every question. After seeing the your question, you should write these things for a minor method. So along R1, write this also along R1, 2 minus 3 3 as it is. How I write elements you already know. No na? This row and this column vanish. 6 4 12 8, 6 4 12 8. Okay. Just vanish them. 6 12 4 8. This is all which is left for 2 when I am considering 3. This row and this column vanish. 12 8 3 2. Here I write. Okay. So by simply multiplying them, I got this is equals to 0. A mod is equals to 0. That is a singular matrix. So A mod is a singular matrix. That is only minor of order 3 of A vanishes. 3 or higher than 3. That is 4 order 4, 5 order 5 also vanish. Why vanish? Because they are not here. If 4 order 4 is given or not given here, 4 order 4 is not given. How I can find 4 order 4 matrix? So I will consider right there. I considering a minor, a part of the matrix. Consider non-zero part. It's also non-zero. It always consider first part which is non-zero. So this first part is not zero. So 2 3 3 6. Consider first part, but please see carefully. It's non-zero first part. 2 6 12 3 3 then 9. That is 3 which is not equal to 0. That is non-singular matrix. So rank of this matrix is, this is order 2. So the rank is 3. Okay. So here the condition comes. Okay. Rank is less than the order. Okay. Now this matrix is given. Right, A is a square matrix of order 3. This matrix is given here. See carefully. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. By multiplying 2, I am getting this value. By multiply 2, this row. 2 4 the 8, 6 to the 12, 10 to the 20. Right? See the matrix carefully for solving these questions. Okay. Elements of second row are equimultiples by 2. 2 से multiply हो रहे हैं. Of the elements of first row, also same case for the R2 to R3. Same case for R2 to R3, R1 to R2. ठीक है, multiplying by 2. Every minor of order 3 and 2 vanish because they are identical. I write this as a important point so you can solve this question easily. So they are identical. So that's why every minor of 3 or 2 vanishes. If I got this 2 order 2 minor, then it's also the multiples. Okay. So that's why 2 order also vanish, as given the matrix is non-zero. Smallest element, if I consider one minor means one, that is 2. So the minor of 2 means mod of 2 is 2. So as the given is a non-zero, so smallest rank of the given matrix is given by rho is equals to 1. This is the important point, that the smallest rank of a matrix, of a non-zero matrix, the smallest rank of a non-zero square matrix is equals to 1. Now let us consider next example. What here is given 2 2 2 0 0 0 0 0. Here see carefully, this is upper triangular matrix, this is lower triangular matrix, so it's also a diagonal matrix, also a square matrix. Here a square matrix of order 3, as given is a triangular matrix, both upper and lower triangular matrix. So A mod is equals to a diagonal elements which is 2 2 2. होना क्या चाहिए था, ये तो वैनिश हो जाना चाहिए था, पर ऐसा नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि 2 2 2 हमने यहाँ पर डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स का मल्टीप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि ये अपर और लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? सी द मैट्रिक्स केयरफुली. आई already or always tell you that see the matrix carefully, every matrix carefully. So solving this, for solving minor method questions, so these are the your main diagonal. You already know that these are your main diagonal elements. You know na, these are your main diagonal elements or diagonal elements. So here's 8 comes, so it's a non-singular matrix. Rho A is equals to 3. If I got I am solving this by a mod method, then this 2 vanishes, but this still left 2. Here this and this vanish, so here left is 0 2. So here comes 2 to the 4 minus 0 into 2, that is 4 to the 8, which is not equals to 0. If I solve this by minor method, my answer is always not equals to 0. Same, just procedure changes, but stories still remain same. So here A is given, it's a square matrix of order 3. It's also a square matrix. Let me solve this. One, you know how I solve this. You have to explain this, but I already write in this form. Try to solve it by yourself. Already solved है. Okay, now this matrix, this sum in your reference book of D.R. Sharma is given by applying elementary operation. You can solve this sum like this, okay, by a minor method. So I solve this sum like this, and it easily solved. I just got 4 4 16, 9 6 54, minus 54, minus plus. Okay, yeah, minus 2. Why minus 2? Because here is minus. Okay, now next sum देखो. This is an easy sum where A mod is not equals to 0. So you have 3 order 3 matrix, means 3 is your order and this is equals to your rank because it's a non-singular matrix. Now next sum, see next sum carefully. Here's I got a 2 rows and 4 columns. This is your columns now, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, row 1, row 2. So here are 2 rows and 4 columns. It's not a square matrix. I can apply this method. Which method? This method. Whose method? This method, minor method. I have to solve these questions by minor method. So for minor method, I have to get a which matrix? A non-zero matrix of order 2. I can't consider 4 order 4 matrix. I can't consider 3 order 3 matrix. I can consider 2 order 2 matrix. So I consider here 2 order 2 matrix. I consider a 0 matrix. Here a 0 comes. But I will consider also this 2 minus 1 3 4. If I consider here 2 3 minus 1 4, let me solve this. 4 to 8 minus 3. Here also a non-zero number comes. Okay, so it is not always equals to 0. So also if you consider non-zero, means you have to consider first part, always first part of the matrix. So here I consider this, and by solving this, what I write here, it's not a it's not a square matrix. So you have to write it in this form, that explained form. As we consider given matrix into a square matrix, we consider the given matrix into a square matrix by applying minor method. We make a minor means we make a part of the matrix हिस्सा. ठीक है, हमने बताया हिंदी में इसका मतलब क्या है. ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स फॉर अप्लाइंग माइनर मेथड. सो द रैंक वी डन बिलो स्टेप्स. फॉर राइटिंग द रैंक वी हैव टू डन बिलो स्टेप्स. वी नो दिस इज 2, but how we write a matrix possesses a minor 0 of order to vanish. It get 2 order, it does not vanish for 2 order. So I have to write rho is equals to, this means equals to 2. ठीक है, this is your first equation. Second equation कि minor of 3 order does not exist, that is less than less than 3, that is 2, less than 3 means less than 2, that is 4 से कम, it's give you 4 order matrix which is less than 4. I have to answer in less than 4, so I write in this form. From first and second equation you have to write in less than and greater than form. If your answer comes means if here comes 2, then you have to write greater than equals to. If your answer does not come, you have to write less than equals to. Okay, learn it. So you get first and second equation, you have to write in this form. For what? For a given matrix is not a square matrix and you are going to apply minor method on that matrix. So for first and second equation, rho is equals to 2. Now let me show you how it comes. A matrix possesses a minor order of 2. It has order of 2, so I write it here equal to sign. So this is equation number 1. How it 2 comes? Minor of order 3 does not exist. 3 or 4 also does not exist. That is less than 3 and 4. Less than 3 and 4 means 2. I only consider 2 order 2 matrix. Why I consider 2 order 2 matrix? Because it's possible here. It's possible here. I can consider 2 order 2 matrix, मतलब 2 rows or 2 columns. Okay, that's why. Now here's the case comes 0, 7, 2. Now 7. Why I consider 7? Why I not consider first? Because I always already tell you have to consider non-zero element of matrix. So here it's non-singular. So it's not of that order, but it has 1 row and 3 columns. It's also not a square matrix, so you have to write in this form. That rank is greater than equals to 1, less than equals to 1. For minor of order 1 does not vanish. यहाँ पर vanish नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए आपने इसे लिखा. यहाँ पर vanish कर रहा था, मतलब उससे ऊंचा नहीं आ सकता था, उससे पहले वाला नहीं आ सकता था, इसलिए आपने ऐसे लिखा. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, ए मैट्रिक्स है, उसमें R1, R2, R3, R4 दिए हुए हैं. ABCD जो ये वैल्यूज दी हैं ये नॉट इक्वल टू 0. हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस मैट्रिक्स? सी मैट्रिक्स केयरफुली. हेयर्स योर R1, R2, R3, R4. R1 is equals to R3, R2 is equals to R4. For a 4 order 4 matrix, R1, R3, R2, R4, 2 rows are identical, मतलब equal elements. They have equal elements. Also minor of order 3 vanish. R1, R3 are identical. If I write a minor of 3 order, means this and this and this, they are also identical, so this also vanish. But for the 2 order 2 minor, means first I am considering first one 1, 0 AC, it does not vanish. 1 into C, that is C, which is not 0 because it's given it is not equals to 0. So row of A, what is this? 2 order 2 matrix is equals to not equals to 0. That's it. We have to solve a modulus, means minors of matrix. If it is equals to 0, then the rank is less than that. If it is equals to 0, then the rank is less. If it is not equals to 0, then rank is the order of matrix. That's it for the minor method. का नोट्स आपको वीडियो के फर्स्ट लेक्चर में नहीं मिलेंगे. जब लास्ट लेक्चर होगा इस चैप्टर का रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स का, मतलब हम एकोलियन फॉर्म पर पहुंचेंगे, तब उसके लास्ट वीडियो में आपको इसके नोट्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ड्राइव PDF मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे वीडियो गाइस. वी विल मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.